As you know, Christmas season is coming, and without desserts, Christmas feels empty. That's why our today's recipe is one of the most easiest recipe among Christmas desserts, and that is delightful little rum balls. Hey guys, I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers just like you to become professional bakers and start your own successful business. These rum balls are a blend of liquor, chocolate, and cake crumbs, which will be dipped in tempered chocolate, and we'll drizzle some melted chocolate over it, and lastly garnish it with some gold flakes. Let's start with the recipe. As our rum balls are cake based, I am using chocolate sponge, and the recipe for the sponge is same that I made for mousse cake. You can find the link in the I button. Next, we'll crumble the sponge using a fork, or you can simply use your hands. Then we'll add ganache and rum, then mix everything well using a spatula. If your mixture looks little dry, then you can add some extra rum or ganache to it. Now let's shape this into 1 inch or 20 grams of balls each. To make dipping easy, we'll insert toothpicks into each balls and freeze them for at least 40 to 50 minutes. So before we move forward, if you want to get new exclusive recipes, baking tips, tricks, and special discounts on any new upcoming baking workshops and courses, we have launched our Free Bake Better WhatsApp groups. Click the link below in the description to join the Free Bake Better WhatsApp group and join 1000+ bakers who are already part of our WhatsApp community. Go to bakebetterpro.com/WhatsApp to join the free WhatsApp group. Before dipping the balls, we'll first temper the dark chocolate. Tempering the chocolate will give them extra shine and a delicious snap. There are various methods of tempering chocolate, and I'm going to use the seeding method. In this method, we'll melt the chocolate till 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. Then we'll add fine chopped chocolate to it, and by stirring it, bring it to 31 to 32 degrees Celsius. You can add more chocolate to lower the temperature, and continue stirring till you get the workable temperature. Now we'll start the dipping process. I have poured my tempered chocolate to a glass to make it easier while dipping. After dipping, you don't need to freeze the balls again, as the balls are already cold enough to harden the chocolate layer. Now we'll remove the toothpick gently. Next, drizzle the balls with white and dark chocolate simultaneously. So here is a little secret for you guys. For making white chocolate extra white, I have added a little bit of white powder color. And lastly, we'll just sprinkle some golden flakes. Here you go, your rum balls are ready. I hope you guys like this recipe, and do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon every time we post a new recipe.